Hello, good night. My name is Mariano Romero Torres. I am a student of A23 Intermediate in English. Today, I want to talk about an application called MEMAS. What is MEMAS? It is a technology that seeks the welfare of people with memory problems, cognitive impairment, or dementia. From three areas: confusion of time, boredom, and loneliness. Thinking in a code, the name MEMAS translate into a memory system, which from the personalized configuration of a tablet allows the user to have greater independence for some daily activities, maintain a contact with his family and the professional in charge of his care. Therefore, memas help to track and structure everyday life in a simple way. In this sense, it can be said that memas is suitable for main user groups that present different cognitive challenges. There may be people who do not remember as well, people with intellectual disabilities or autism, and people in rehabilitation. Thank you very much.